Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable editing in PowerPoint presentation. So this is my PowerPoint presentation file, and in order to disable the editing here we need to open the file first. Now you might have saw some people that they go to file, click on info, and here they protect their presentation, just they click on mark as final and send this to people. And but the thing is that many people can access these settings too and change the settings from here, and that way they can enable the editing. So I think this is not the safe way to protect your PPT as well as stopping people from editing your presentation. So there is a way which you can use to solve this issue. Like, this is the best way out here. So what you need to do, firstly we're gonna click on file again, and here we're gonna click on save as. Let's click on browse and just navigate to the folder where you wanna save this file. I'm gonna save it on this folder. Now I would recommend you to change the file name so that it wouldn't replace with the current file which we have here. So just in the end I'm gonna type 2. Now the main part, this is the tools option you have, and by using this tools option we're gonna restrict people from editing the PPT. So right here just click on general options. Now here you can see that here we have the first option as password to open. Like, if you set the password, people need to enter the password first in order to open your PPT, and we don't want that. Like, we have no problem with if people open the PPT, but the problem is that we don't want people to edit our PPT. So for that we can just set the password to modify. So here we can just set the password and leave the first box empty. Here in the password to modify you can just set any password you like. I'm gonna set 4567, and just here we're gonna click on OK. Again we need to re-enter the password here. So password was 4567, and as I said guys, it is up to you, whichever password you like you can just set that. Just click on OK here. Now we can just click on save. Now if we just close this, here you can see we have two PPTs here. This one is the previous one, like, which can be edited by anybody. But if you look at this one, let's say I open this one to see what will happen. So here I need to enter the password. Even if I click on OK, this kind of error will appear. So just click on OK for now, and at this point we only have this option, read only. And if people click on read only, they'll able to just see the PPT but not able to edit it. Like, if I try to remove the text, I'm not able to do that, as well as I cannot drag and drop things. Also if I go to insert, you will see that everything is locked here. So this is the best way to lock your PPT. Now let's say if we close this, again open this one and enter the password, which was 4567, and click on OK. Yeah, you can see the PPT is unlocked and we can easily edit things. And yeah, that's why this is the best way to disable editing of your PPT presentation. So at this point you can just delete the previous PPT and share this to anyone you like. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.